This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, alter table EMP, add column name is commission. The column name is commission and data type is int. Data type is int. So alter table name, add column, the new column, data type is int. So we can run this successfully. It's added. You can go for check that select star from EMP. Can you see that the commission column is added to the table? The commission column is added to the table. So how you can insert some data into this commission? Okay, need to be updated here. Data need to be updated. We can go for use the update command. I will tell you later. Okay, so alter, adding new column is fine. Adding new column is fine. Okay, this is the way we can add the new column for existing table. Adding the new column into the existing table. And what else we can do with alter? Let's see that. Adding
Swami, I
new
have
column.
info.
Yeah,
When we have to give semicolons at the end, and when we need not to give, like sometimes you're not
in
giving,
SQL.
sometimes.
Yeah, in SQL Server it's not required actually. In Oracle mandatory we need to end with that a semicolon. Even in SQL Server it's not required. But if you give it, it doesn't show anything, show any error. Either of you can give it or you not give it. Okay, not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Next, we have the truncate command here immediately. What is the truncate? Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table. Note down the definition. I will ask you tomorrow. What is the truncate is? Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space continue to the table. So all the rows of data you want to be deleted, you need to go for use the truncate. Truncate is used to delete all the rows of data. Okay. Truncate is used to delete the all the rows of data. Okay, so what is the syntax for truncate table? Truncate table, table name. Truncate table, table name. Truncate table, table name. Okay, let me go for do that. Truncate table, table name. So I can go for uh, truncate table DEPT. I'm going to be run that in the DEPT. We have a data, right? See that select star from. We have two records are there in the DEPT. I'm using the truncate statement, truncate table, table name. Execute it. Truncate command executed successfully. Go for write the select statement. Select star from DEPT. Execute it. There is no data. Entire data can be deleted from the table when you use the truncate. Okay, there shouldn't be any data. All the data can be deleted. So the point here is they will ask you what is the difference between delete and truncate. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Please note down the questions, okay, and answers as well. What is the difference between delete and truncate? What is the difference between delete and truncate? 10 years. Okay. So what is the difference? Anyone can guess it who are in meeting. What is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete we
Murali, what is
can
the difference?
delete we can, for delete statement, so entire table will be deleted. For truncate only the structure of the data, like only the entire rows will be deleted. One structure will stay as is.
Okay.
Delete it
Any
will
other?
delete for delete it will delete the entire table. Like for truncate it will delete the only the rows.
Mm-hmm. What is the difference?
So like structure of the data will be stay as is for the truncate.
Hmm?
Delete entire table will be delete.
Okay. I'm asking Sadal. Yeah. Based on? Mm. All the all the records. Your answer. What is your answer?
Delete means only one row you can delete. Truncate means you can delete all the columns.
Shiva, your answer. Yeah. So truncate means it can remove all records from the table. Irrespective of any condition, it will delete all records from the table. In table, nothing will be there. Truncate remove all the records in the table. It may be 10 records, 100 records, 200 records, 1000 records. How many records are there? You mention that truncate table. Table get empty. Nothing would be there in the truncate if you apply the truncate command. Whereas if you go with the delete, see here there is a delete command. Based on particular condition you can remove one row or two row or three rows, but based on condition. So where my salary 5000, I want to remove those records. Two records are get removed based on the condition. Okay, records can be deleted. Okay, using the delete command you can go for delete the records, number of records based on condition. Whereas if you go with the truncate, entire table can be in the data, whatever the data is then table, entire table become a empty. Got the difference? Simple answer. Truncate will remove all records from the table. Truncate will remove all records from the table. Truncate will remove all records from the table. Okay, note it down. Truncate will remove all records from the table. Delete can remove the records based on the condition. Okay, is there any other difference, sir? One more difference. Okay, one more differences. If you go for apply the truncate, it doesn't take much time. Immediately it will remove the entire data. But if you go for apply the delete function, delete, so the delete command go for search the entire table where condition satisfying or not. Where salary is satisfying that particular condition, then only it will remove it. That's why it will take some time to execute the delete statement. Okay, delete statement will run very slow, and truncate immediately will be executed and remove entire data. There is no condition to check it. Remove everything is there in the table. But when you go for delete, we need to be validate. We need to be check that where the salary is 5000, then only you can remove it. So it will how many records are there. So each and every record need to be validated. Then only it will be remove it. Okay. So I need exact definition tomorrow when I ask you that what is a truncate mean? Removing all records from the table. I want to say same answer I wanted. Okay. Don't go for write your own. Removing all records from the table. Removing all records from the table. Okay. Delete means based on given condition it will remove the records. Based on given condition we can delete the records. Okay, clear these 2 points. So it's very important question, delete and truncate. And what is one more difference? If you delete it, can I get back that record? Can we get back that record? So what we deleted, we deleted where salary is 5000. Select star from emp. I'm running select star from emp. Okay, executed. So I removed that where salary is 5000. I want to get those records back. Can I get it or not?
Tommy, you're on mute, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So roll back. We can get that data. So suppose I can go for set select star from EMP. So I want to remove one record from this table. So how we can go for delete it? Delete. Okay. From table EMP where DEPT number equal to 10. I want to remove the record from DEPT number. Who are there in the DEPT number 10? Those need to be record deleted. Delete from table EMP department number is 10. Executed. One row is affected. So let's see that record is deleted or not. Select star from EMP. Okay, let's check this. Okay, immediately you can go with a rollback. Let's check it. Why this begin something asking?
We have to select, I think, entire like from the starting.
Mhm.
From delete, we have to select.
Yeah, before saving, before commit, we need to do that. Uh, Nothing like that. Hmm. Before select without save point, it is used to roll back transaction back and certain point without rolling back that entire transaction. Same thing we are doing, right? Rollback command used to undo transaction that haven't already been saved into that database. Let's see this way. So what's wrong? Let's try again. Select insert statement. I can remove it department number 20. So I'm removing the department number 20, and without running any select statement, I can go for run rollback. The rollback transaction request has no corresponding begin transaction. Let's see that maybe something different in SQL Server. So, so database to database, it will be different. We need to be check it. So immediately you can go with that error. Any error you are facing, go with do it at here in Google it. And what is that? Commit rollback transaction request no corresponding. begin transaction. Okay, rollback transaction something we need to write it. Okay, I will check it. We don't want to waste this time. Okay, I will check it and I will explain you again. Okay, so that's we can roll back. Once you deleted data, that can be rolled back. Okay, using the rollback condition, we can get it. Where we can go for truncate the data, we cannot be rolled back. Okay, data which we truncated, it cannot be rolled back. That's a major differences between delete and truncate. Okay, so I will show you that why it's not showing this error. We can check it anyway. Right. Next, so that's about truncate and delete, and we are saying that alter commands. We added one column using the alter. Okay, and delete fine, not an issue. Okay, truncate table, table name, truncate table, table name, alter table. We added modifying. There is a one more command for alter, modify. If you want to modify the data type of the field, if you want to modify the data type of the field, so data type is their character. If you want to change it to varchar, so you need to be use it modify. Okay, let me add one more column here. So suppose I want to add a column to that existing table. What is the command we can use it? Hmm? I want to add a column to the table. What is the command we can use it?
Update command we use.
I want to add a column to the table.
Alter.
Alter. Alter. We can use that alter command. Okay. Alter table emp. Okay. Add. What is the column I want to add? It is sex. Okay. Or gender. Okay. Gender. So I can mention it as a character. Okay. I can mention the data type is char. Here I can mention only one. Okay. I can go for update, execute it. It's successful. So select star from EMP. Okay, gender is added. The column is added here. So after some time, I feel that F and M I want to be inserted here as a gender, male, female, F, M. But I want to go for later, I want to be change it to male, female. Okay, I want to change the data type char to varchar. I want to change it. So how can we change the data type? How can we change the data type? So then we can use it same alter command, alter table emp modify. Okay, modify gender varchar. You can mention here varchar. Okay, you can give it number of characters here. Okay, let's try to run this. Modify, alter table. Hmm? Alt column there. Yeah, here we have that in SQL Server. We have alter column as well. Okay, so alter table name and alter column gender. Okay, we can go for the gender. Data type is varchar. We can get change the data type to here. Okay, this is to change the data type of the column. You want to change the data type of the column and number of characters you want to be increase it. Whatever the change you want to do that, you can go for do that. If you want to modify, where we can go for modify is alter table emp modify. I have a column as gender. Okay, to sex can we do not modify gender to sex, rename, maybe we can use the rename function here. Mm, if I want to change the column name, already gender is there, that's I want to change it. Alter
Replace,
table, sorry,
replace.
replace. Let's try this. Cannot find the data type of this. Okay, let's check this. We can rename the field. I think rename would be there. Yeah, this command slight difference should be there with each tool. Oracle to SQL Server to. Hmm, okay, we can check this one. Delete, rename. Mhm. No, this is not correct center. Let's find this. Okay. So if you want to change the data type, anyhow, we can use alter table name, alter column, and give that existing column name. Okay, the column number of characters. Okay, we can rename. We can find the statement. Alter should be there. Let's say that rename column. SQL server, we can check with SQL server. Okay, the syntax. Alter table, rename column. Alter table, table name, rename column, old name to new name. Okay, alter table, table name, rename column. Okay, this is the way we can go for rename it. Let's copy this. We can go with. So what is the table name here? We have it EMP. Rename column, gender to. Let's run this. Maybe we need to specify the data type. Incorrect syntax near rename. SP rename, that is, we can go with this way. Same, we have pin code to zip code, right? Use the built-in procedure SP change. The following SQL spread, then rename pin code, zip code, and imply table. And SQL everywhere.
Sir, sir, you can
Yeah.
use SP for rename for changing the column. Rename. You can rename, sir. SP underscore rename.
Okay.
No, actually, this is
SP
stored.
underscore rename.
You cannot use that.
This one, sir. SP underscore. No need to use,
Mm-hmm.
sir. No need to use SP underscore rename. Mention
No.
table name. SP underscore rename. Table name dot column name. Column
Swami,
name.
SP actually we did
Um,
not use the stored procedure, right? So we cannot use this.
Actually, for SP is nothing but stored procedure. They mention it. Okay. Okay. Remove, delete this. What you mentioned? Rename emp dot gender. That's they are mentioning in single quotations here. Okay. emp comma emp dot so this is all for the stored procedure. Actual the process which you follow in the stored procedure, not with the general rename column. There should be alter. Let's find this alter table, they rename column first name. This is a process actually, the same thing we are doing, but somewhere in multiple columns, first name to alter table, table name, rename column, same thing. Mm. Select star from EMP, we can go for it. Alter table EMP, rename column, DEPT number to DEPT. Why it's not working here? Okay, note it down. This is also one point we need to be clarify that rename for the particular column is SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server we need to be check it. So it will be different for that other database. Okay, make it use that renaming the field. How we can get rename that? Okay, yeah. So that's we can do with the alter, rollback and rename. We need to be check it. Rollback and rename functions. These two we need to be check it. Right? Yeah. So all DDL comments are done. Create, alter, drop, truncate. Truncate and rename. We see that anyhow. So what it mean by truncate? You got it right. The difference between truncate and delete. Okay. Insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. Insert is done. Delete is done. Delete is completed or not, right? We have the update command. Maybe we need to go for update. So we can go for see that how we can update the data in the table using the update command. Using the update command, I want to be change the data in the table. So what is mean by update is I want to go for this particular employee Srini. I want to increase the salary. Okay, 6,000 is there. I want to make it as 10,000. How can we do that? So we can use the command called as update. The update command is it to update the data in the table. Okay, I want to update the data. So that's we can do it. Let me insert few more records here. So we have anyhow this is I can go for run it back this insert statements. Okay, select star from EMP, execute it. So these records are there. I want to update the data. So whose salary is more than 5,000? Whose salary is more than 5,000? I want to make them commission is 100 rupees. I want to make the commission is 100 rupees for them. Whose salary is greater than 5,000? How we can get it? Whose salary is greater than 5,000? Their commission should be 100 rupees. I want to update the commission as 100. Okay. Then you can write it update update table emp set commission equal to 100 where salary equal to or salary greater than 5,000. Okay. Update table emp I guess. Okay, without update table name. Okay, let's run this. One row is affected. Okay, here you can make it as greater than or equal to. Okay, then 3 rows get affected. Yeah. Now you can check that. Select star from EMP. The commission is updated for them is 100 rupees for the people whose salary is 5,000 and greater than that. Okay, less than 5,000 I want to set it for 200. Update EMP set commission equal to 200 where sal less than 5,000. Okay, can you go for run this? So select star from EMP. You get all the data here. So this is the way you can go for update the data in the table.
Somebody
Update the
can
data.
use like and option in the first statement and
Where
salary less 500.
and yeah, we can use it multiple conditions and where
Mm.
the department is and where the department is 10 and department is 20, like you can mention the conditions as well. Okay, salary should be greater than 5,000 and the department should be 10, 20, like you can mention it. Okay, we can use that.
No, what I'm asking is, we cannot update like and salary less than like for the
No,
one remaining rate for that we cannot use, right?
case statement, you need to write a case statement then. Okay,
Yeah.
directly cannot write it. Case when salary is 5,000 then this, else this value, kind of case statement you need to be write it. Okay, we don't go with much detail and the depth వద్దు. Now we can go for a simple, try to understand that concept. Okay, yeah, we can do it based on the case statement. We can write it when salary is greater than 5,000 then this, else this much, we can mention that. Okay, yeah, clear. What is the update? Insert update delete is done, ddl commands is done, and dql command is done, and we have the tcl commands. Transaction control language. What are the transaction control language? Commit, rollback, save point.
Sir,
Commit
grant
means,
revoke, sir.
sorry, grant revoke.
Uh,
Yeah, grant means it's providing the permissions. What are the permissions you wanted? Using the grant function, we can give it. Revoke means removing the permissions. If we want to remove the permissions for that particular person, database access or table access kind of thing, we can use this revoke. Adding permission, giving the permission is granting permissions. Removing the permission means revoke. Okay, in detail we can see that, but you need to be just definition. What is meant by grant and what is meant by revoke. Okay, commit, rollback, and save point. Data control language. Yeah, commit means once you have inserted the data, when you run the commit command, the data can going to save into the database. Okay, permanently it's save in that particular database. Commit. Okay, commit means what are the data we, if you click after inserting the data, you run that commit command, data is going to be saved in the database. Okay, once you run the commit, rollback cannot be work. Okay, once we run the commit, rollback cannot be work. So you deleted one record. Okay, if you want to get back that rollback option, we can use it. Okay, so before rollback you committed, you run the commit command, you cannot get rollback. Okay, so that's the option. Yeah, those things we can discuss tomorrow. So now you can got that all ddl, dml, and dql, this main commands. Okay, so what we are missing here is truncate command, it's rollback command. Okay, how we can get the rollback and rename, these things we can see it. Okay, and what else? So you need to be, I will try it some scenarios related this, but meanwhile you need to practice all the commands, how we can insert the data, how we can update the data, how we can alter the table. Okay, and how we can define that, and how we can truncate it, and main difference, truncate to delete. Okay, truncate to delete, what is the difference between truncate and delete? Okay, and insert, update, delete, truncate, Create, alter, drop. And what is the difference between drop and truncate and delete? What is the difference between drop and truncate? Anyone? What is the difference between drop and truncate?
Drop means we can drop the entire table.
Okay.
Drop is deleting the
Again,
data type, the database type.
okay. What is the difference? అది కరెక్ట్
What?
ఆన్సర్ కాదు.
So what is the question? Drop and delete, right?
Yeah, drop and delete.
Drop means we can drop the entire table using the drop command, and delete means we based on the condition we can delete the records.
Okay. What's the difference, Shiva?
Difference means only some records we can delete from the using delete command, and all the records we can, like all the table we can drop from the using the drop command.
Yeah. So drop means it will drop the table from the database. Data will be get deleted. Entire table also get removed from the database. Dropping the table. Drop table, table name. Entire data table also get deleted from the database. That is a drop. Drop means table also get removed. Okay, not data. Table get removed from the database. Drop table, table name. Okay. Data and table also get removed from the database. Drop is nothing but dropping a table means table also get removed. Delete means name same based on the condition we remove the record from the table. Even they will ask you difference between truncate and drop. What is the difference between truncate and drop? Truncate means only data can be removed from the table. All the data from the table we remove it using the truncate. Okay, where we can go for drop, entire data as well as table also get removed from the database. Okay, note it down point. Tomorrow I will ask again. Okay, not it's like you need to remember this point. These are all very important questions. Okay, guys, clear what's the difference between drop on truncate and drop on delete?
Yes,
Okay, everyone.
yes, sir.
Prashant is clear.
Yeah, yeah, clear, sir.
మురళి కుమార్ ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్లో పెట్టేసి క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ నాకు ఈవినింగ్ కల్లా పంపించండి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ వీఆర్
Okay.
డిస్కసింగ్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకే, సేమ్
Okay.
ఇన్ సేమ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ యాడ్
Okay.
అండ్ టు దట్. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు పంపించారు కదా, అందులోనే కింద యాడ్ చేయండి వీటిని.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure.
ఓకే, రైట్. సో దిస్ definitions and comments need to be remembered. So let's go for write some SQL statements now. Okay, I can send you 10 to 15 SQL statements. You need to create the table and you need to be insert the data and you need to write some SQL statements on top of it. Okay, so you need to be post in the group what you have done, but you need to be practice it. Without practice it is a waste of time. Okay, so generally I don't go with cover with a SQL, but this time I'm doing it, so try to be practice it. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone. We can connect it tomorrow. Okay, early morning by 7 is fine with everyone. Saturday, right? I can take 2 hours of session tomorrow.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Yeah, fine, sir.
No, okay. Yeah, tomorrow morning you can connect it. Meanwhile, you need to be
Yeah, fine,
very
sir.
good with this. Tomorrow we can write multiple SQL statements. Okay, directly we can go with the SQL statements, basic SQL statement, how we can get it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
See
sir.
you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.